Meaning of disinfectant.
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 Disinfectant. A disinfectant is a chemical substance or mixture that is used to kill germs, viruses, and other harmful microorganisms on surfaces, objects, and skin. The main purpose of disinfecting is to reduce the risk of infection and disease transmission. When a disinfectant is applied to a contaminated surface or object, it works by destroying the cell wall or membrane of the microorganisms, which effectively kills them. This process helps to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and ensures a safer, cleaner environment for people in the area.